Hey everyone, and welcome to my craft room. My name's Julianne Richards and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in southern Tasmania. I thought I'd pop on and make a short video just to let you know that I'm about to release, or I'm releasing, my Introduction to Card Making course for the 24-25 catalogue year. I've updated the old course using all new stamp set and some great new cards and designs for you as well. Up front, this course is purely designed for beginners, and the reason that I popped this course together last year was because I had lots of people reach out to me saying that they watched videos with lots of demos, lots of very clever demonstrators and card makers from around the world. There was just too many options out there. They just didn't know where to start, and they were afraid of spending money needlessly and finding themselves bogged down in product and no idea where to start. So my Introduction to Card Making course, as I say, aimed at beginners. Also good for scrapbookers who may want to transition through to card making and give that a bit of a go. Also good for people who've been away from card making for a fair while and would like to come back and use it as a bit of a refresher. I've this year using the Labelled with Love stamp set. So there it is there. This is the stamp set that I'm using for the course. Lots of great images there and some wonderful sentiments as well. So you'll use this stamp set plus all the other things that you get in the course to make 10 wonderful cards. Now, I won't show you the cards because I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I do have a little graphic here, and we'll just pop through and see what you actually get for your money this year round. So the Introduction to Card Making course for 24-25, you work at home at your own pace. You can do the cards in one afternoon, although I'd be very impressed if you did, or spread it out over the weeks and the months. Just work at your own pace, at your own leisure, in your own space at home. You get full PDF instructions, so all full written instructions with step-by-step instructions how to make the cards, but you'll also get videos as well. So if you're a visual learner or someone who likes a step-by-step list, I've got you covered there as well. You get the stamp set, which we've just looked at. You also get all the ink you need. So you get our inked Stampin spots, which you can see there on the right of the graphic. There's 8 colours there, and they're the colours that I'm going to use for the course. So you won't need any other colours but those. And those little ink spots, believe me, they last for ages and ages. So you can use them well and truly for your crafting once the course is complete. You also get a black ink pad. We all need a black ink pad just for our sentiments and outlines and things like that. And that's what you get from Stampin' Up. Now, those 3 products together, the ink spots, the stamp set, and the Memento Black ink pad, actually cost $97. So that's what you're paying for when you pay for the course. Everything else that you get from me absolutely free. And that includes all the embellishments, the bling, all the ribbon, and all the designer series paper and cardstock that you need to make the 10 cards. Okay, so that's basically what you get for your money. I'll just turn that graphic off. Off you go. Yeah, cool. So what else? Now, what else did I wanted to say? Everything else you get for the 10 cards. So you're going to get about 20 A4 sheets of cardstock. So of all the colours that I use in the cards, you get white cardstock for your card bases. You get all the layers and things like that ready to go. Now, I give you the cardstock uncut and unscored because part of this course is to teach you how to cut your own card bases. So when I normally do a course with my normal ladies, I cut and score all the card bases. But with this course, you're learning how to cut that for yourself, which is a very important part of card making. You get designer series paper, you get bling. You'll also get my really, really handy centimetre to inch conversion table, which has been really, really popular with a lot of my customers. So if you're watching, say, American demonstrators who use inches and you would like to convert it back to centimetres, this conversion table is really, really handy. So I will pop that into your PDF as well. You'll also get, as I say, video links. So each card will have a video. So it goes from the very beginning to the very end of the card. So you can watch that and make sure you get your cards right. You'll also get a $15 product voucher, which will help if you would like to buy some more cardstock or some glue or anything like that. You can use that $15 voucher. Now, the thing is, with that voucher, it's a discount from me, not from Stamping Up. So if you do want to cash in your voucher, you have to get in touch with me and I will place the order for you. There are a few things that you will need at home, apart from the course material that I send you. You will need a paper trimmer, which this is mine here. This is my Stampin' Up one. It's my paper trimmer. You don't need the Stampin' Up one, although of course you can purchase it if you would like. Paper trimmer, basically one that has as well a scoring blade. So a scoring blade and a cutting blade if you can. That's a really handy thing. You'll also need some silicone blocks. You'll need 2 silicone blocks or 2 sizes. This one probably is a good size to have. It's about 5-6 centimetres square, and then a smaller one as well, which is probably 2 to 3 centimetres square. So 2 silicone blocks, you need those as well. Plus you'll need some glue. She says, trying to find her glue. You'll need some glue. Now this is our Tombow glue, which I think is the absolute best. So you can grab that. Or just any glue, go to your local craft shop, stuff like that, and some double-sided tape. So you'll need some double-sided tape as well. So, and that's what you'll need to complete the cards. Now, I haven't included that in the kit because I thought if I add all those things on, the price is going to become quite, a lot higher than I wanted it to be. But if you have these things at home, if you're a crafter from way back, you may well have these things already, or just pop to your local craft shop or your local online craft shop and see if you can pick those up as well. And as I say, I'm very happy to advise you what's the best way to go with those extra tool items. Okay, what else did I say? Oh, and one more thing, if you would like to grab a dauber. Now, I'll show you what a dauber looks like if I've got one here. These are my daubers. You do need to do one of the techniques I'm going to show you in the course is easier if you have a dauber. You don't need it. So if you haven't got them, don't traumatise too much. But one of the techniques I do uses a dauber to soften the ink, which is really, really nice. But as I say, you don't need it. I'll show you an alternative to having a dauber. Okay, so that's basically what the course is going to look like. As I say, $97 plus $10 postage will get you everything you need to all the consumables, the stamp set and the ink to make the 10 cards. We work all the way from simple stamping right through to some really interesting techniques. So some new techniques that I didn't cover in the last course, I've introduced those just to mix it up a wee bit. And we end with a wonderful fun fold card that basically includes just about everything that you've learnt in the course all in one card. So that's sort of like your graduation gift or something like that, if you'd like to look at it that way. If you purchase the course, you don't just, my help doesn't end there. I'm always available if you find something too tricky or something in the PDF or the videos that you don't quite understand, or you'd like a little bit of extra help, I'm always here to help. And if you find the cardstock you run out of a particular colour, if you make some mistakes and use a bit too much, I'm always willing to dip into the stores and send you some more as well. So that's my introduction, as I say, my introduction to card making course for 24-25. If it's not what you would like to do, but you have a friend who'd like to get into card making, or a friend and family member, I'm perfectly happy for you to pass the details on to them. And I'm sure they would have a wonderful time doing the course as well. So please reach out if that's something that interests you. All the details will be on my Facebook page, and I'm quite happy for you to either text or email me as well. So anyway, please jump on board if you think that's something you'd like to do. It's a wonderful, wonderful hobby, and it brings joy and fun to just about anyone who does it. So please, if it's something you'd like to do, please reach out and get in contact with me. So thanks very much. Hope to hear from some of you very soon, and have a great day.